Hello viewers, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope you all is fine. Almighty keep you all, keep you homes and habited, and may you continue to enjoy every videos like this. So friends, today we'll share with you the very beautiful amazing crochet crop top designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs show to you people in the all the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to you channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get my ideas from my videos. So friends, this video is useful and helpful keep for guys, so I keep similar designs with my dear friends daily. Inshallah, be sure to let us know the comment box how can you like our videos. You want to watch any videos related to, visit my channel Crochet Lover, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and can you make a similar designs is very popular in the country, and girls are such clothes too. So friends, today video is amazing. Every video is a lovely designs for you guys. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. So friends, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kind of fashion related designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me, take care. We remember in prayer, and bye.